Hello all, welcome to TRACADEMY, and in this video we're going to see about the Flag Code of India. The Flag Code of India is the set of laws that governs the practice and rules that apply to the display of our national flag. It came into effect from 26th of January 2002. Before that, it was governed by the provision of the Emblem and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act of 1950 and the Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act of 1971. So we can call the Flag Code of India is the amalgamation of the previous two laws with additional guidelines. So the Flag Code has been divided into three parts. The first part, which describes about the national flag itself. So the national flag has to be rectangular in shape with a ratio of 3:2 for the length and the width respectively. The Flag Code has prescribed standard sizes which has to be used by the citizens. So for example, we have flag size for VVIP flights, which is 450 into 300 mm, and for motor cars 225 into 150 mm, and for table flags as 150 into 100 mm. So the second part of the Flag Code explains or describes about how it has to be displayed by the members of the public, private organization and educational institution. The flag is not to be used for commercial purpose. It is not to be dipped to salute any person. It should not be used as a portion of a costume or an uniform, and it should not be embroidered or printed on a cushion, handkerchief, napkins or any dress materials. And no lettering of any kind should be put on the flag. It should not be used as a receptacle for receiving, delivering, holding or carrying anything. And it should not be intentionally displayed with the saffron color at the down part or saffron color at the bottom part. It should not be cover a speaker's desk or not be used to cover the speaker's platform. And any damaged or disheveled flag should not be used. And flag that are displayed in public as well as these private organization like educational institution should be flown only from sunrise till sunset. And the third part, which describes about the displaying of the flag in the central or state governments and their respective organizations and agencies. So the flag should be flown at all official buildings all through the days, irrespective of the weather condition. And the building and the residence of the presidents and vice presidents, governors and lieutenant governors should have the national flag. Having flag in motor cars is limited to the president, the vice president, the governors and the lieutenant governors, the head of Indian mission, the prime minister, the chief minister and the respective cabinet ministers, the speakers of Lok Sabha, the chief justice of India and judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Only these people or these posts can have flags on their motor cars. And in case of a foreign dignitary, he uses the car that has been provided by the Indian government. The right side of the car will have the Indian national flag and the left side of the car will have the respective dignitary's national flag. And it has to be noted that insulting the national flag will attract 3 years of imprisonment as per section 2 of the Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act of 1971. So that's all with this. We'll catch up with another video. Bye bye.